Hey, the seller sent me this assorted 12-piece sports ball set for free, so I'm going to check it out and give you my thoughts. So this comes with 2 volleyballs, 2 soccer balls, 2 like kickballs or dodgeballs, however you want to use them, 2 footballs, 2 basketballs, 2 baseballs, a couple air pumps. So these all come deflated. Obviously, they need to ship this. So you're going to have to inflate these. The pump comes with a needle. So you're just gonna thread your needle in, and these pump up just like any other standard sports ball. Stick your needle in. This pump works fairly efficient. All right, we got 1 of each ball pumped up. Obviously you got your baseballs, you don't have to pump those up. This does feel like the firmness of an official baseball. These are all adult sizes. Your basketball is a size 7, that is NBA size. Soccer ball is a size 5, that is Major League Soccer size. The football is a size 9, that is NFL size. Your volleyball is official size as well. And then your kickball, dodgeball, that's just, there's no like official size to that, but that's a decent size. It's a little bit smaller than the soccer ball. The quality is halfway decent for playing in a youth or adult league or kicking around in the backyard. I think these will work great. We'll take a closer look at the football here. You have your laces. Now there's no official branding or marking. These are definitely generic balls, but we got a dog and we're going to have a kid soon. So I don't want to spend $50 on a football that the dog's just going to bite into and break anyways. I think these work great for the backyard, or like I said, you're just using them for kids or rec league adult sports. I love that I can just buy one set here and have a ball for almost every sport that we would play in our backyard. Take a look at the soccer ball here, and then the volleyball. I like that the kickballs, the basketballs, and the footballs come in different color variations, so you can kind of change things up. I like that this comes with 2 bags. One bag will fit 1 set of balls. There's a nice strap on the top. You can just tighten it right up. And then there's an adjustable shoulder strap, depending on how big or small you are. But I can just strap them on my back and take my balls.